Meaning of inaudible.
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 Inaudible. The term inaudible refers to sounds that cannot be heard or are not loud enough to be detected by the human ear. Inaudible sounds are typically too faint, too high-pitched, or too low-pitched for the ear to perceive. Inaudible sounds could also be masked by other louder sounds in the environment, rendering them undetectable. Inaudible sounds can be produced intentionally for various purposes such as animal communication, ultrasonic cleaning, and medical treatments, or they may occur naturally. The ability to detect and differentiate inaudible sounds is critical in many fields, including audio engineering, medicine, and wildlife studies.